Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and another video. Today's video we're going to continue and finish the 67 plate EcoBoost Fiesta. That one. I've got a bumper, I've painted it, I've got a wing, headlights ready to go in. The one thing we're waiting on is the powerful mirror to turn up. I've said a few times already, this car, I'm in a rush to get it done. So worst case, I've got a manual fold mirror in the right colour. If I have to, I'm going to fit that just so they can take it and have the big, unveil for his birthday, and then it'll come back and have the mirror changed basically. So, I mean, I've still got all day tomorrow, so I'm hoping it's going to turn up tomorrow. Right, let's spin round. So this is the car in question. Right, so we've got the bumper. I'm still just letting it dry a bit. So we'll leave that be for now because I need to put all these grills you see in it. We've got our wing and headlights, so we can continue. Get the wing on, headlight in place. And yeah, fingers crossed that mirror turns up at some point tomorrow. So it was posted yesterday, second class. I mean, I paid for this mirror on a Thursday. So they had Friday, Saturday, obviously no Sunday. Then they had Monday. Today's Tuesday. They posted it yesterday, so that, what day is it? No, today's Wednesday. So they posted it on Tuesday, I paid for it the Thursday prior. You know, I mean, it's not right good that, is it? Anyway, to be fair, it said on eBay when I bought it, estimated delivery Tuesday to Thursday. Today's Wednesday, so if it turns up tomorrow, that's fine. Alright, so I can still get it on. So fingers crossed. So yeah, let's just get on with it. Let's get this wing on. Get this light on and then weigh up whether to start building that bumper up or not. As you can see, I decided to risk it for a biscuit, and it's come out okay. It's alright, I've not damaged it. The paint's really sort of hard actually, it's gone off really well. So we're good to go, I can fit this bumper now. All I've got left to do is put these spots in, so I'll put them in. And then, yeah, we've got the bash to do. But again, I'll do that when the bumper's on the car, it's a lot more rigid. But we can put this bumper on now. Happy days. Happy days. Right, yeah, I'll put these spots in and then we'll come back and time-lapse fitting the bumper to the car. And if by magic, we are done. I had to just get on with it in the end, because like I said, we were on a time was ticking away. So yeah, I got on with it, and yeah, it's finished. So, I mean, yeah, what do you think? I think the paint has come out really well. Nice match. Nice match. Not overly happy with this wing, I'll be honest. It's got a few little dents in it, so this wing will be getting changed again. Not sure if you can see it, but it's perfectly fine for them to go with it. I'll get another wing in and I'll just swap it over at a later date. But it's been washed as well, so it's nice and clean. It's come up well. Come up really nice. Cleaned it inside. Turned out to be a great little car. Nice, easy fix. These are the ideal buys, these, aren't they? These are the right buys. These are the jobs I should be doing. Really nice and clean inside. Overall, honestly, yeah, really nice car. 55,000 miles, 67 plate. And in terms of what it's cost, here now, in this exact position, I've got pretty much smack on £4,000 in this car. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, it is sold. I'm not going to tell you what they're paying for it. It's between me and the buyer, really. He's a good friend, you see. So, yeah, four grand. What do you think? I think that's very cheap, isn't it? 67 plate, 55,000. Runs and drives great, fully serviced. Yeah, like I said, I just need to swap that wing over. It's annoyed me, that has. It turned up in a very bad condition. I had to straighten it out quite a bit. Hopefully, well, yeah, I've sent them a message. Joe, these things happen. These things happen. Being couriered, shall we say? So yeah, they've offered a refund. We'll sort it out. I'll get another one, and I'll get it swapped over. So that's going to be it for this car. All done. Done in time. It's now 3 o'clock on Friday, and they're coming for it in 2 hours. So perfect timing, really. The mirror did turn up in time. So that is the power folding mirror. Don't know if you have to have a key in. Oh, no, you should have a key out. Oh no, hold on. Yeah, actually. Let's just lock it. Power folding mirror. Other side as well. Put a light under it. I mean, yeah, it's a really nice specs car. I've enjoyed doing this one. And what's it taken me? 3 days. Including painting the bumper, 3 days. Which isn't bad, is it? So yeah, that's going to be it. I'm going to end it there. We've got another Fiesta to get on with. Got more to do on the Fiat 500, and all the parts for the SLK 55 are finally painted and ready to collect. So I'm going to go and grab them tomorrow. It's not Friday today, it's Thursday today. Why do I keep thinking it's Friday? It's Thursday today. They're coming at 5 o'clock, so they want to give it to the lad tomorrow, Friday morning. Yeah. So you've got plenty to do. I'm hoping to get on with that next, get that finished and gone. The wheels have just been sent off to be refurbished, powder coated. Right, thank you as always for watching, massively appreciated, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.